yours. I'll bring a gift the world can keep. So we're gonna take it to a satisfied. So we're gonna take it back. You know you wanna join our side. If you wanna live personal,